Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Volvo 240 Drift Wagon. So in this Q case, this one is supposed to be the STH or Super Treasure, but unlucky me, I didn't get this one. So these are the leftovers too. I got to be very honest with you guys. So I bought it for the MRP 149 rupees, and I bought it from Hamleys. Still, even with the card, with everything here, this is really heavy. So let's open and see how this actually looks. Okay, here it is. So the initial impressions of this car is like, it is heavy, but it is not too heavy. And I still don't know how it is getting scratches here. I mean, this is literally fresh out of box. The paint job looks really nice. It's a little bit of glittery green, but it's not too glittery. The rims looks really nice. So even the STH version has the same similar rims, but only the tires are rubber. And I think it has a Spectra Flame paint job. So the interior details are really good in this one. I personally love this slide blue tinted or sky blue tinted windows, because you can actually see through this, and even it adds a good character to the car instead of the black tinted ones. Wow, this one is really nice addition. See, you can see two tiny doggos sitting here. Wow, I didn't see this one. That is really cute, man. Nice attention to detail. Oh, that looks really nice. I really want to see how the STH version looks. So this one is not painted. The exhaust is actually some kind of plastic. As you can see here, it's not a paint job. The hood has good detailing. So far, the Mustang and this one I personally love. And finally, they actually put some kind of fiber for the headlights, which is really beautiful. And this one is also like this sky blue tinted one. Wow, this looks really beautiful. And they have rear view mirrors as well. So this one has a lot of plus points, and they actually added this paint job for tail lights. Okay, let's do a roll test and see how this looks. No, not so much. Okay, there is no much wheel wobble. The back wheel has some wobble, but not much. But it is a bit noticeable. It creates a lot of noise. It rolls okay, it's not too fast or too slow either, it's in between. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.